Hello friends, this is an extremely enjoyable and unique experience. While text to video and image to video are common, what about video to video? With Domo AI, you can now create any video in a variety of styles. Alternatively, it may be said correctly as Domo AI. You can generate consistent styles from text, images, or videos every time by using their numerous preset AI models. Please subscribe to this channel if you enjoy sorting content. Now let's get started. Launch a web browser and navigate to Domo AI app. I will give you its link on my description box. You can check it there. To launch Discord, click Start. Now let me show you how you can use your video to create a different style. Select a Generate Video channel from their list. First of all, video to video, enter /video or drop your video there and type a brief prompt to direct the creation process. There are 2 categories and 5 styles available for selection. You can find your Japanese anime style, live anime styles, and flat color anime style under the anime category. You have your 3D cartoon style and comic style under the illustration category. Each one is distinct and different to add the final touch to your video. You can instruct the AI to prioritize either the prompt or the original video. The refer to source video more option is my preference. You have 3 options for the length of your video: 3, 5 or 10 seconds. It can take up to 14 minutes to produce a 10-second video. To start the magic, click Start. Now you can also transform an anime into a real image if that is insufficient. Enter /real after typing it. After that, hit enter after dragging and dropping the desired anime image to create a real person. Looks pretty real to me. What do you think? Now I am going to tell you about how to create text to image. Suppose we give text to image a try. Enter /gen after typing it. After entering your prompt, select model. There are 18 distinct styles available to you here. I will select the enhanced realistic model and press the enter key. This turned out beautifully, just like Midjourney. You can use the Vary tool to create variations to an image, or you can upscale your photos. Now image to video. The image to video is the last one naturally. Enter /animate and press enter. Next, drag and drop the picture. To create a motion prompt in the image, click motion prompt and enter the desired prompt. Then select the desired motion's intensity by clicking on intensity. I will select high intensity and press the enter. Now you can see that image clearly shows motion. Now come to the price. What is the price? However, what will the cost of this be? You can select a paid plan or begin with 100 free credits. It's a good deal that the base plan costs $9.99 for 500 credits per month. This is how much it costs to produce our videos and photos. While creating images is typically very inexpensive, creating videos is comparatively more expensive. Avoid using up all of your credits at once. Enjoy creating your videos and share your thoughts about Domo AI with me in the comment section below. I appreciate your viewing. Till then, happy creating and remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.